नाज़रीन इत पे जानन आज यानी 18 अप्रैल दुरुस दुनिया में वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज दो यानी विरासतुक आलमी दो बड़ चिकचासान मनाने यिवान। यह आज के दोस्त पे अक्सर तारीख तो सारनी नाज़रीन लोल बुत माय बरत सलाम पेश करान। ये दो चीज़ जहनियत मनावान अस पजन पन मीरासच कदर करें। यह दो मनानुक मकसद अस पन मीरासच पन सकाफत पन पुरान आलीशान इमारतन मरम्मत करें तो तिमन हंस कदर करें।
ताजमहल जो पूरी दुनिया में अपनी बेइंतहाई खूबसूरती की वजह से मशहूर है। मैं हिंदुस्तान का जेवर हूँ और यूपी के एक मशहूर शहर आगरा में वाक़ा हूँ। मुझे सन 1648 ईस्वी में मुग़ल बादशाह शाहजहां ने अपनी बेगम मुमताज़ महल की मोहब्बत भरी याद में तामीर करवाया। गोया कि मैं अपनी मोहब्बत की अलामत हूँ। मैं यूनेस्को का एक आलमी सकाफ़ती वर्सा हूँ और दुनिया भर के 7 अजूबों में से एक हूँ।
I am Shankaracharya Temple, also known by the name of Shankar Temple. I am situated on Shankaracharya Hill in Srinagar, Kashmir, also known as Takht Suleiman Hill. I am one of the oldest temples in this region dating back to 200 BC. I was originally built by Jaloka, the son of Emperor Ashoka, though I underwent renovation in later centuries. Visitors often have to climb 243 steps to reach me for my blessings. I am named after a great philosopher of Hindu religion, Shankaracharya. I offer panoramic view of Srinagar and surrounding areas.
World Heritage Day is celebrated every year on April 18 to raise awareness about the importance of preserving culture and natural landmarks. These heritage and natural landmarks are essential to understand our culture, history and environment. These heritage sites are a real educational resource.
This is me Amina Ahad, the student of grade 8 Sunflower, along with my friend Mahnoor Mehraj. Today we are here to celebrate the World Heritage Day that is observed annually on April 18 to raise awareness about the cultural heritage and its importance globally.
And it's a day to honor and preserve historical landmarks, traditions and diverse heritage sites worldwide, as these heritage talk about the roots and the rich culture of a nation. And there's no legacy so rich as heritage. The aim of this day is to encourage the local authorities as well as the public to respect and realize the importance of the cultural heritage in our daily lives.
And there is something unique and special about every culture, which makes it stand out, and conserving heritage buildings is like buying antiques. So let's preserve it together.
Parampara Vanshan Bodhigrat, heritage binds generations. As humans, we like to remember our ancestors and the people gone by through their work and legacy. World Heritage Day celebrates these exact sentiments by appreciating and cherishing ancient arts, monuments and sites.
बताने आए हैं
क्या बताने आए हैं
हमारी विरासत हमारी पहचान, हमारी इमारत हमारी पहचान। इस पहचान को बरकरार रखना हमारा फर्ज है, हमारी जरूरत है।
फर्ज है, जरूरत है।
क्योंकि ये है हमारी
आन और शान।
हमारी विरासत हमारा अभिमान, इनसे है हमारा सम्मान, इनसे है हिंदुस्तान की अलग ही शान।
ताजमहल होया हवा महल, कुतुब मीनार होया परी महल, पांडव मकान होया इंडिया गेट, सब है एक से बढ़कर एक।
मंदिर, मस्जिद, चर्च, गुरुद्वारे सबके हैं अलग ही नजारे। इनकी हिफाजत है फर्ज हमारा, क्योंकि इनसे आन हमारी, इनसे शान हमारी।
Hello everyone, I am Mahroush Manzoor of grade 8 and today I'll be presenting myself as a very famous heritage site. But firstly I want to share that I'm feeling very privileged and very honored to share my story with you all. I'm Humayun's tomb. I'm located in Nizamuddin East, Delhi, India. I was constructed by Empress Bega Begum, the wife of King Humayun. My construction started in 1565 and completed in 1572. Later in 1993 I was given the status of World Heritage Site by UNESCO. In my construction, red sandstones, yellow and black marbles were used.
आलमी सकाफती वर्षा का दिन यानी वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे आलमी अहमियत का हासिल दिन है जो हर साल 18 अप्रैल को मनाया जाता है। यह हमारी शानदार सकाफत की एक रोशन याद दहानी है और ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम अपने वर्षे को न सिर्फ अपने लिए बल्कि आने वाली नस्लों के लिए महफूज रखें। हिंदुस्तानी सकाफत तारीखी और मजहबी नमूनों से भरी हुई सरजमी है जो देखने वालों के लिए हैरत का एहसास दिलाती है और यकीनन हर हिंदुस्तानी को इस कीमती मिल्कियत पर फ़ख्र महसूस होता है। आलमी सकाफती वर्षा का मतलब इंसान की इज्तिमाई नुमाइंदगी करना, इन मुनफरिद इक़दार को मजमिस करना जो सरहदों और वक्त से मावरा है और हमारे आलमी मुश्तरका के लिए गहरी तारीफ को फ़रोग़ देते हैं।
Everyone, I am Red Fort and I am a famous historical building of India. I was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648 AD. A museum has also built inside me where the clothes of Mughal rulers, their scriptures and other valuables are kept. I was built with the red sandstones, that's why I came to be called Red Fort. Every year on India's Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the Indian flag at the fort's main gate.
I am Zainab Javed, a student of grade 8 Sunflower. So today I will be going to representing myself as one of the greatest World Heritage Site of India, that is Ajanta Caves. So I am Ajanta Caves, one of the oldest UNESCO World Heritage Sites of India. I am one of the beautiful caves of India. I am protected by Archaeological Survey of India. There are around 30 caves in my cave complex. I am home of paintings and sculptures. I depict heavy influence of Buddhist philosophy and depicted Jataka stories. I was used by refuge by monks during monsoon seasons. I am worldwide popular for my mural paintings.
Jamia Masjid Bukhara Tamir Kashir Hind Badshah Sultan Sikandran. Bashar शहर श्रीनगर किस नवहट इलाकस मज वाक़ा तकरीबन 1 लाख लोग में अंदर हेकान इबादत करत। नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सन मोह मुबारक ते मिनिश महफूज बशस मजहबी तो सकाफती निशान।
World Heritage Site has been named a structure or territory which is of worldwide significance and is a unique spot which requires extraordinary consideration and security. As indicated by UNESCO, these sites delegate the world heritage and with extraordinary significance for humankind with cultural relevance. Dear friends, our heritage makes us special in the world. Heritage Day is a global community effort and do whatever is necessary in order to conserve our culture and heritage in a cooperative manner.
World Heritage Day is a reminder of the rich tapestry of human history and the breathtaking wonders of nature that surrounds us. The theme for World Heritage Day 2024 is Discover and Experience Diversity. Heritage sites are like windows into the past, offering us a glimpse into the lives and the achievements of ancestors. They tell stories of triumph, innovation and cultural diversity. Think about the Great Wall of China, Pyramids of Egypt or the Taj Mahal. These iconic sites have stood the test of time, captivating us with their grandeur and leaving us in the awe of incredible craftsmanship and the ingenuity of those who came before us. But it's not just about the past. World Heritage Sites bring communities together. They attract tourists from far and wide, boosting local economies. They also foster cultural exchange, understanding, and reminding us that we are all part of a global family.
Today, I'll be discussing some facts with you related to the World Heritage Day. Fact number 1. World Heritage Day is also known as the International Day for Monuments and Sites, and it is celebrated on 18th April every year. Fact number 2. It aims to raise awareness about the diversity of cultural heritage worldwide. Fact number 3. The day was established by the International Council on Monuments and Sites in year 1982. Fact number 4. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, also plays a significant role in promoting and protecting World Heritage Sites. Fact number 5. There are currently over 1,100 World Heritage Sites around the globe, including the cultural, natural and mixed properties.
मैं कुतुब मीनार हूँ, दुनिया की बुलंद तरीन मीनारों में से एक। मैं फतेह का मीनार हूँ, मुझे कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने तामीर कराया। मेरी सकाफती और तारीखी अहमियत बहुत ज़्यादा है।
Hi, I am Stone Masjid. The Stone Masjid is also known as the Shah Hamdan Mosque. It is a historic mosque located in the Srinagar and it was built on the 14th century and is named of the revered person Sufi Saint Mir Said Ali Hamdani. The mosque has a length of 180 feet and a breadth of 51 feet.
Goes Hari Parbat, Mech Kohi Mara Na Sati Zanan, Ba Avus Mughal Badshah Udus, 15 Isri Maz Wujudash.